Welcome to BrainyToons, where every video is a magical adventure. Hello, BrainyToons buddies. Today, we're exploring the wonderful world of farm animals and their sounds. Each animal has its unique sound, and we're about to discover the melody of the farmyard. Let's say hello to our first friend. It's the friendly cow. Can you say cow? Now, let's move on to our woolly companion. Meet the fluffy sheep. Can you say sheep? Continuing our farmyard symphony, it's the happy dog. Can you say dog? Let's continue our adventure with more friends. It's the sociable goose. Can you say goose? Now, let's meet the majestic creature. It's the beautiful horse. Can you say horse? Now, let's meet the purring sensation. It's the charming cat. Can you say cat? Let's continue our farmyard adventure. It's the cheerful chicken. Can you say chicken? Time to meet another friend. It's the playful goat. Can you say goat? And here comes our oinking buddy. It's the cheerful pig. Can you say pig? Let's meet the hardworking creature of the farm. It's the industrious donkey. Can you say donkey? Now let's hear the quacking sound. It's the delightful duck. Can you say duck? That wraps up our farmyard symphony. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep being BrainyToons superstars. See you on our next farmtastic journey.